What is the home buying process in England? Buying a property is one of the biggest financial commitments you'll ever make, and if you're a first-time buyer, the process can seem confusing and overwhelming. The good news is that once you understand the key stages, the journey becomes much easier to navigate. In this video, we'll walk through the home buying process in England step by step. Step 1. Arrange your finances before viewing properties. It's important to understand what you can afford. Most buyers will need a mortgage, so it's a good idea to speak with a lender or mortgage advisor early on. You'll usually want to obtain a mortgage agreement in principle. This gives you an indication of how much you may be able to borrow and shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. Remember to budget not only for your deposit but also for additional costs such as legal fees, surveys, mortgage fees, removal costs, and potentially stamp duty. Step 2. Find a property and make an offer. Once your finances are in place, you can begin searching for a property. Take time to compare different locations and homes before making a decision. When you find a property you'd like to buy, you'll submit an offer through the estate agent. The seller may accept, reject, or negotiate your offer. Once accepted, the property is sold subject to contract, meaning the legal process can begin. Step 3. Instruct a conveyancing solicitor. After your offer is accepted, you'll need a conveyancing solicitor or licensed conveyancer. Your solicitor handles the legal side of the transaction. They'll review documents, communicate with the seller's solicitor, carry out searches, and make sure there are no legal issues that could affect your purchase. Having an experienced conveyancer can help keep the transaction moving smoothly. Step 4. Apply for your mortgage next. You'll submit your full mortgage application. Your lender will carry out checks and arrange a valuation of the property to confirm its suitable security for the loan. It's important to remember that this valuation is for the lender's benefit and is not a detailed inspection of the property's condition. Step 5. Searches and surveys. Your solicitor will now carry out property searches. These typically include local authority searches, drainage and water searches, and environmental searches. These checks help identify issues such as planning matters, flood risks, or other factors that could affect the property. At the same time, many buyers choose to arrange a survey. A survey assesses the condition of the property and may highlight defects or maintenance issues that aren't immediately visible during viewings. Step 6. Raise inquiries. Once the searches and survey results are available, your solicitor will review everything carefully. If any concerns arise, they will raise inquiries with the seller's solicitor. This could involve questions about boundaries, building works, guarantees, planning permissions, or other important matters. Although this stage can take time, it's an essential part of protecting your interests as a buyer. Step 7. Exchange contracts. When all inquiries have been resolved, your mortgage offer is in place, and both parties are ready to proceed. Contracts are exchanged. This is a major milestone because the transaction becomes legally binding. You'll usually pay your deposit at this stage, and a completion date will be agreed. Step 8. Completion. Completion day is when ownership officially transfers to you. The remaining purchase funds are sent to the seller's solicitor, and once received, you'll be able to collect the keys to your new home. This is the moment you officially become the property's owner. How long does it take? Every transaction is different. Some purchases complete within a few weeks, while others can take several months depending on factors such as mortgage approvals, surveys, legal inquiries, and whether there's a property chain involved. Responding quickly to requests and working with experienced professionals can help avoid unnecessary delays. Final thoughts. Buying a home involves several important stages, but understanding the process can help reduce stress and avoid surprises along the way. From arranging your finances and securing a mortgage to carrying out searches and finally receiving the keys, each step plays an important role in ensuring a successful purchase. If you're planning to buy a property, don't be afraid to ask questions and seek professional advice throughout the process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more property and conveyancing tips.